Hi everyone. I'm doing this video to share a success story of last year. It was around November, December. We just finished a deal. It's the end of January, and I just want to share what went on. I met my client Mita, who had a fresh pair of twins that you can see on the background here. And it was around the middle of November last year, and she needed a bigger place. Let me show you her. This was the home they lived in. It's a three-bedroom, two washroom. That's the door towards the backyard. It's the living room, and that's their master bedroom with a patio sliding door towards the backyard. It's an apartment on above ground, and what's unique about this apartment is that it has a beautiful courtyard and playground right outside the front door, which I will show you. All right, so yeah, that's unit 110. All right, so let me get out of here and show you guys the this is the front door would be right here. So right when you exit, there's a courtyard and playground. So it's great for raising children, but unfortunately, this is the backyard. Unfortunately, it was too small for her growing family. She needed wanted more space. It was quite the challenge because they had to sell their place buying before they're able to buy a place. So I quickly took on the job to sell the place, and was listed on the 22nd. We took about less than about 6 days to prepare the place, get pictures up, market it through all the right channels, and we were fortunate that it was a seller's market when it comes to condos, townhome strata properties in Surrey. It's quite a hot market, so we're able to get them above what they listed at 449. We sold it for 475. So after that job was done, the hurdles went over at that point because you still have to find a place, and it was very very difficult. We went to see several properties in the time that we were selling the place, and what we did was we pushed for a long close date so they can find a place. And let me see here. So we came across this property. They fell in love with it. As you can see, it's quite a nice house. It's out in Maple Ridge. It's the home. Front door, right? It's the living room. This is perfect for the growing family, and we were an offer on it. And it was we were really lucky with this property as well, because it just came back on the market, and they were going to have an open house that weekend. Would it have gone to that open house? We would have probably not have gone this property, and we we wrote we wrote offers in other properties, and it was just really difficult securing a place. And we're really fortunate that we did well on this one. And yeah, this is what the place looked like. This is them. Let me show you a few pictures here. Actually, you know what? Here's a video of them stepping into the home for the first time. Just wanted to share this video.
Is that okay? Yeah. So, how's it feel? That's really good.
Yeah? Yeah. And it's a lovely home. That's the front door. Has a detached garage. Yeah, so it's a beautiful neighborhood in Maple Ridge. I just wanted to share the success story, and hope you guys enjoyed the video.